class. Iwe.
Morning, ma'am.
Wapedza kuverenga wakotira. Apo wakatoenda special class. Gara pasitoni. Nezvino ndakakupa homework. What's the past tense of think?
Think.
Iwe tamushe. Zokorodza futi. Think.
Thank.
Eat.
Eating.
Eat. Fly.
Flat.
Aiwo kwanewo. Ndikukuendesa special class. Flu. Alright. Ndakuitira apo ndokuti uzozadzisa. Exercise. Iwe. Umwana tishamukwatura. Uyauzadzise exercise.
So that's how to use.
Past tense.
Yeah, exercise.
Yes.
Excess.
Nyora Tony. Don't you feel as weird?
Jump.
Let's give up.
Jam. Kiss. Course. Play. Blue. Buy. Bite.
Special class here. Then, vamwe vese moita zvakanaka ndishiyani shimaka exercise. Iwe nditevere. Kurira mahari.
Although